one skill our students should hone right now, which will help them to acquire a very good job in the future? Because we are talking about past, which you have the experience, you guys have the experience, and we have the people in front of us, our students who are going to enter into the job market in the future. So I request you all to share your views on this particular topic. That tell me one skill which our students should acquire so that they can get a good job in future. We'll start from the left only.
Hello everybody, good evening. I hope I have your attention. Okay, great. So just a quick round of introduction from my side. I was a part of an Alumni 2014 batch, and every year whenever we get a call, we definitely try to make our efforts. That's the power of this podium, right? So be it any kind of forums, globally or domestic, I think we just definitely make an effort to come back to share all of our experience, right? And for my fellow panelists as well, what I've been hearing across, I do definitely echo that this institute makes and has an impact to build talents. And it makes an effort from your day one, from building all of your institutional journey, the workshops, the curriculum, what we have, starting from, we used to call it as a surface, as an annual program, being an anchor to go to different colleges, making an impact, the walkathon, the workshops, the hackathon, everything put together, right? And that's where I started as well. And I am right now a senior manager leading a firm for financial sector, leading HR as well as the transformation space in State Street. So definitely a few things, right? Besides your foundational journey and having a good academics, it's also important that where are you heading towards? Chase your passion. Whatever you do, give your 100%. Be vocal, be hungry, as few of my panelists have mentioned. Be focused in terms of what you want to attain. And I think the opportunity is there, the exposure is there, it's just your will that you have to go get and get an opportunity that way. Now, besides your placements and everything, whichever comes across your way, it is also very important while we are into a technically advanced era altogether, be equipped with whatever is the fast-pacing world going across. Keep yourself upgraded, technically driven with the AI and the generative AI, which has been the key for the day's mantra, if I would have to say, because be it any portfolios, be it finance, be it HR, or be it marketing, any redundancy of the process is being taken over AI. However, we also look forward for any kind of a transformation and streamlining efforts in any sector we talk about, be it your IT, be it your finance, be it your education sector, anything for that matter. So continuous improvement is something as a visionary goal for any operations and for corporates what we are looking for. So strive towards that. Have milestones been attained, because what we are living and leading towards is a gig economy rather than believing in a traditional mindset of long-term employments. Today's, if you see, we have a lot of PMO roles, which is short-term project manager based roles, which is like go-getter attitude kind of. So you never know, maybe you are landing into a freelancer, a AI generative, or a machine learner for that matter. So try and aim towards what you want to go ahead and attain and master over that. I think that's what would be my closing words. All the very best to the crowd out here. Thank you.